That was super hard. One of the hardest workouts that I've done yet. I pushed myself, but I feel so good. Like this time, you guys, I'm not gonna let fear and food dictate my life, you know? Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Say happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
You're so cute. You're so cute. Last workout of the week, you guys, and I killed it. I killed it. I was so tired, but I got it done, and I'm so happy. Now tomorrow's rest day, and back at it again on Monday. I'm learning with this weight loss journey of mine that consistency and patience is key. You have to have patience, and I'm doing this with God by my side, and He never forsakes me. Nova, happy birthday, Mama. Oh, look at your number 3. It's Nova's birthday, and I really wanted to not go on my treadmill today because I'm like, I just want to spend time with her, and I was just so excited, and I just didn't feel like it, but I got it done anyways. This was also one of the many birthday gifts that I have for her today, was me getting healthy for her so I could live longer and be in her life. So I'm so proud of myself. Happy birthday, dear Nova. Oh, I'm so happy that I got this workout in. I feel a lot better for eating that cake and that ice cream sundae yesterday. I feel really good because the old before would have just probably continued on, after eating like a treat, I probably would just continue on eating like that. But I'm happy that I'm back on track. I'm back on the right track. And I got my workout in. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to even mention that today is the last day of this month. We have been doing this for 2 months now straight, and we're going into our 3rd month, and then after this month, April 1st is my first weigh-in, and I'm super excited. I got my workout in. Happy March, happy first day of the month, happy March, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so tired. Oh, but I did it. I did it. Yeah, because I know as long as I have him by my side, I can do all things, and I'm not stopping. He's right next to me, walking with me, helping me get through this every single day, you guys. Trust me. He is alive and he is well and he is able. Just ask him to help you and he will. I can't believe it's April 1st. Can you guys believe that? It is April 1st. I remember when it was just like January and I was like, Happy New Year. Now it's April 1st. And you guys, I'm down 40 pounds. Could you believe that? Well, I could believe it because my Lord, Jesus Christ, was by my side the entire time. So obviously I'm down 40 pounds. And as you can see, these are all of the months that I've done, and I keep them up here so I can look back. The days that I don't want to work out or I want to stop, I feel like I want to stop, I can look at this and say to myself, why would I stop? Look how far I've come. Oh, you guys, this is hard, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get the results that you want. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, great start to June. had Nova's ballet this morning, but I came back and I got my goals in. I just feel so happy that I didn't come home and say, oh, I'm not gonna do it today. Like, I came home and I'm doing it. So on to the next. People would be like, the scale is not, it's not going down, it's going up, what's going on, it's not working, and then they just quit. Not me. I got goals, I gotta live, I gotta do this once and for all. Okay guys, whew. Last workout of the week. My time, my distance, and my calories. I am so beat, but I'm so happy that I got it done. I procrastinated today and I had Nova's ballet, but I said, I'm getting it done. One thing I love the most with my weight loss, you guys, is the fact that my collarbone shows so much. It's so pretty. Hi, Nova.
Hi, Mommy.
How are you feeling?
I'm good.
Yeah? Are you happy to go outside?
Yeah.
Yeah? Smile. Look at Mommy and smile. Ah, it's so cute. Alright guys, I got it done. My time, distance, and my calories. I did it. Even though I didn't want to, I said, you know what, this is important to me. This is what I want, so I'm gonna get it done. You guys too. Thank you guys. Thank you. I love you guys all. Oh. So happy Saturday and happy September. We are in September. Oh my gosh, I'm in my 9th month of my journey, you guys. I am so close to being done with the entire year and I'm so excited to get there. Oh boy, what is that, a baby? Oh, she's so cute. What's her name, Minnie? Alice, baby? Yeah. That's a beautiful name, Minnie. Congratulations. Alright guys, rise and grind. Here's my time, my distance, and my calories. I had a good Thanksgiving dinner yesterday, so I had to come on here and give it my all. And I did. Whew. Like in order for me to lose weight, I have to starve myself, and like it's like the worst feeling ever. Like I feel like if I eat anything, I'm gonna gain weight or I'm not gonna get to my 100-pound goal. The last time I'm on the scale, it said 239.5 and I was so happy, right? I'm on the scale this morning, it said 244. You guys, I'm so pissed. Like I'm so mad. Like I'm mad at my body. I'm mad at it. Like happy November, oh my gosh. So yeah, hopefully I see a difference in my body soon, because I know that like the cardio wasn't really doing it for me anymore. Like my body just got so used to it, so it wasn't really like doing anything for me. I cannot believe that I made 100 pounds like in less than a year. That was my goal this year, and I was so scared I wasn't gonna be able to do it, but I did it. 100 pounds ago, I thought I couldn't do it, but I should have known better, because once he is with me, once he's with you, there's nothing you can't achieve. All the tears, all of the sweat, it all paid off. I got about 50 pounds more to go, and I'm excited. All the days that I had to fight myself to go and work out. All the days that I had to, you know, tell myself it's okay if you don't eat that piece of cake or have that burger. It all paid off, you know. I'm so happy. I fought that voice inside of me telling me that you're not gonna do it. You can't do it. This is your life. You're supposed to be overweight your entire life. Get used to it. Accept it. I fought that voice and I showed it up. I proved it wrong. You can fight that voice too. It's not too late. It's never too late. And I just proved myself that it's never too late. So you can fight that voice too, and you can get it done, and you can live the life you always wanted to live and be healthy and have a long life at that. So proud of myself. Like, I can't believe I did this. Like, I did it. Like, I'm so happy. To start living my best life. Like, I feel like a prisoner in my body. I legit feel like a prisoner in my body, and I hate it, and I can't wait to just break free.